The web app is available by going to app.goaudit.com on any browser, and then coming to this page, you'll have to use your credentials to log in. Once logged in, you will see this screen, My Audits, and here you'll be able to see all the audits that you performed. On the top of the list, you have a filter, so you can use this filter to choose different days, so you can see the amount of audits you have performed on those days. Also, you have the ability to start a new audit by tapping Start New Audit on the right hand side at the top, or by starting New Audit button by clicking on the Start New Audit button on the left hand side of the screen. Here you'll see the name of your company on the top, the name of the audit, which is Weekly COVID Store Check, the location, and in case you have multiple locations or multiple licenses, you'll be able to tap on this and select a different location, the date and the name of the auditor, and click at the bottom Start New Audit to start performing the audit. Once tapped on Start New Audit, you will see this screen. On the top, you will have the ability to see the sections. In our case, we only have one section, and then we can see all the questions, and they will look in a similar way where we can attach photos and we can attach comments as well. The buttons are color coded, so if the question has been answered in a positive manner, it will be highlighted in green. If it's answered in a negative manner, it will be highlighted in red. And if it's answered in a neutral way, not applicable, it will be highlighted in amber or yellow. I will now perform the audit, attaching a few pictures as well, so you can see how generating the report will look like. I am tapping on each group so I can expand the questions, and I can see the questions as well so I can answer them. And I will skip some of these questions on purpose so you can see what it would look like at the end of the report. On these questions, I will upload some pictures as well. To attach pictures for each question, you'll have to tap on Upload Image and then select your images. And to make any annotations on the images, you'll have to tap on each picture and make your annotations using your finger if you're using the mobile app, or your mouse if you're using the web app. When completing the audit, we can go next. We can add the extra comment summary. And press next to go to the screen where you can actually see how many questions you have answered with yes, how many questions with no. And in case there are questions that we haven't responded, we can see them here and we can tap on them, so we can only answer those questions that we have missed. Once you're happy with answering all the questions, you can view the report by tapping View Report, and the PDF report will be generated. So tap to open the PDF report. Here we are. This is the overall score. Scrolling down, I can see all my results, and let's see the pictures as well with our annotations. They look great. And at this stage, if I'm not happy, I can close this report and I can go back and still make changes to my responses. So I can go back to questionnaire and amend some of these questions. And then tap next again. And again, view the report. So once I'm happy with the report, I can complete it. So I can just close this PDF and I can press Mark as completed. A quick note, some of the questions have mandatory pictures. So before you mark your report as completed, you will have to make sure that all the pictures have been uploaded. In case you've missed any, before generating the report or marking as completed, you'll be pointed out with a short message saying that there are some questions that require extra pictures attached. So to do so, just tap OK and you'll be directed to those questions. And once you upload the correct photos, then you will be ready to mark your report as completed. Once mark as completed has been pressed, a pop-up message will tell you that an email will be sent to myself with this report, and you will no longer be able to make changes to this report thereafter. So press yes to complete the report. And now I will be able to find the report by looking at the reports in my audits. I can filter from today's date, apply, and I can see that there are 2 reports that we have completed today, and the third one is in progress. So I can go and view this report. I can download the report from here. This is the one that we've just completed. And we have the second report that we have completed from the mobile app. So I can still download the report and have a look at it. Here we are. And you'll be able to see the same report received as an attachment in the email that has been sent from GoAudits. Again, if you have any questions, you can always reach us on the live chat by tapping the green icon at the bottom of the screen on the right-hand side. Just tap here and then send a message to us, and you will be able to start a conversation with the support team if you have any questions or if you encounter any issues, and we can support you straight away. In case you want to start an audit and you will not be able to complete the audit in the same day, you can do so, start a new audit, fill in all the details and start a new audit. The system will save the progress of your audit automatically. So in case you want to go back at a later stage, if it's the same day or at a later date, you can do so. The system will save your progress and you'll be able to continue from where you left it. So to do so, from this page, you can go into Start a New Audit or My Audits. You'll find this report in My Audits in an in progress state. So the top one will be the report that we have just started. So if I want to continue, I just have to go here on the 3 dots, tap on that, and then Edit Audit, and then Update. And here we are. We can continue from where we left it.